In this video, I'll be showing you how to start yield farming on Fishswap. Now, the same thing applies to pancakeswap, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Fishswap since I'm already invested in here. So, really quickly, what is yield farming? Well, yield farming is the process of staking something called LP tokens in exchange for the governance token. So in this case, this is a very new platform, and as a result, the APR on this is really high. You'll notice that the total liquidity here in this particular pool, in this particular farm rather, is $13,400, which means it's nothing compared to what you'll find on pancakeswap. Regardless, we're going to try and jump in and provide some more liquidity. So here you'll notice that I have 133 Fish USDT LP tokens staked. So let's explain this concept here really quickly, the LP token. In order to participate in yield farming, you need to provide LP tokens. So in order to do so, you have to head over to the trade section and click on liquidity. Make sure that your wallet is connected, of course, and here you'll be asked what kind of liquidity you want to provide. Currently there are only two pools, BUSD Fish and USDT Fish. So we're going to click on USDT Fish, and you'll notice that here is my my option. So I currently have two USDT Fish tokens, or rather 2 USDT in my wallet at the moment. And so in order to purchase an LP token, you need to first supply both of the tokens in the pair. So again, the tokens in the pair relate rather to what you find in the farms. So you'll notice that there are only two farms available right now, the Fish BUSD and the Fish USDT. So we're participating in this farm right here, and that's why we're going to buy into the USDT Fish LP tokens. So again, make sure that your wallet has both USDT and Fish tokens. Now you'll notice that I already have farmed about 95 Fish tokens, which means that if I want to add all of them as liquidity, I'll need to make sure that I have an equal amount worth of USDT. So currently I don't have that much USDT, so what I can do is can basically go ahead and add more to my balance here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose receive. Since I'm already connected to Binance, I can just request some of those funds. Since I already have 2, I'll just need like 59. Well, let's get 60 just to be safe. 60. And we're going to choose next. As soon as I complete the process, I will come back and show you what that looks like. Awesome. So here we are. I have just received my tokens. So here's my USDT, which means now I can go ahead and restake the 95 tokens that I farmed yesterday. So you'll notice that if I choose this process, and I then have to click on supply here. So when I choose supply, it's basically going to give me 75 LP tokens. Okay, so that is based off of the current rate. So again, whatever the value of Fish is at the time, that's how much you're going to have to supply in equivalent USDT or BUSD. Okay, so in my case, it's $60. That's 95 tokens. I'm going to click on confirm supply. Next, I'm going to choose confirm. You'll notice that there is a gas fee here that's 001 BNB. It's about 50 cents US. Click on transaction, click on continue, and then transaction submitted. Okay, once it is verified, you'll see it appear here. So you'll notice that my balance has been completely taken now, which is fine. I still have about 30 cents remaining there. And here are my 75.3 USDT Fish LP tokens. So the next step is very simple. What we're going to do is head over to the farm. Let's go ahead and click farm. Again, it disconnects here, so just be patient with it. Okay, so you'll notice that here I can now go ahead and add liquidity. Okay, so you're only able to participate in farming if you have LP tokens. So I'm gonna hit the plus button here. You'll notice that I have 75.3. I'm gonna choose max. I'm gonna hit confirm. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and pay that gas fee. That's another 40 cents or so. Very cheap on the Binance Smart Chain. Just make sure you have some BNB to cover those fees. It'll say pending confirmation here. As soon as it confirms, we can go ahead and see an update. So now you'll see that I have an updated provision here of 200 Fish USDT LP token staked. Okay, and that is how you stake your LP tokens. So the cool thing is here that if there's less liquidity, the interest rate increases. If there's more liquidity, the interest rate drops. So that just fluctuates a little bit there. But this has proven over the last 24 hours to be extremely profitable. So I'm really excited about that. Very interested to see where this project goes. If you found value in this, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button and share it with somebody that you think would benefit from this as well. All right, catch you guys soon.